Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials so you can trade fast. First, make sure your account has trading enabled and you own the item you'll offer. This prevents wasted offers. Once done, join the same game or access the profile of your trading partner and open the trade window. Prepare your exact items and any Robux amount to include, because once you send a trade, you want clarity. Finally, check membership or age limits so the trade won't be blocked. Now you assemble the actual offer and explain why it's fair. Drag your items into your side of the trade pane, and if needed, add Robux or extras to balance value. This helps acceptance. Make sure to inspect rarity and price history using item tooltips so you understand worth. Once balanced, type a concise message stating any conditions and why you think it's fair. Then hit send. Doing this reduces confusion and speeds up confirmation from the other player. You finish by confirming and resolving issues quickly. When the other player accepts, review the final screen carefully to ensure every item and Robux amount matches your intent, then click confirm. If something goes wrong, immediately check that both accounts still have trade permissions, that items weren't transferred during the process, and that Robux are available. Those are the most common failures. Finally, consult trade history to verify completion and, if needed, politely request a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.